Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add marker to maps in WordPress. So firstly, you are going to go to a browser and search for wordpress.com, and after that, you are going to log into your WordPress account. And here's the interface you're going to see there. And we're just going to go to the quick links option over here, and here we can see the edit site. Click on the edit site. After you have clicked on the edit site, it will take you to the entire editor page of WordPress. After you have reached your WordPress editor site, over here we are just gonna go to the plus icon on the right corner over here. Click on the plus icon. Here you can see the search bar. Just write maps, and here you can see a map. We're just gonna drag it to our website over here. And as you can see, my map has been added. So here you can see it's actually saying add a location or add a marker. Carefully enter your location or address properly in this marker over here. After you have completed it, make sure that you click on save. If this actually does not prompt does not show on your screen, you can simply go to this option over here which says add marker. Just click on it, and here you can see a pop-up will appear again. Then just simply type in your address or location you want to add the marker to. After completing it, save your actions. Click on the save button over here, and your marker will be added to your WordPress map. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.